Good afternoon. For those of you who weren't able to attend our budget presentation this afternoon, I just thought we'd do you a quick video just to update you on some of the main points, some of which weren't announced in the speech. The main changes were to pensions, which was pretty much expected. The annual allowance has increased from £40,000 a year to £60,000. The tapered annual allowance and the money purchase annual allowance have increased from £4,000 to £10,000, and the adjusted income, which is used to do the tapering calculations, has increased from £240,000 to £260,000. The biggest surprise was actually that the lifetime allowance was abolished. It was thought it would be increased to 1.8 million. There wasn't a change to the forthcoming corporation tax increases, unfortunately, but there is additional relief for capital investment. So for the next 3 years, you will be able to fully expense capital items. This actually is limited to a 50% deduction for special rate items, such as things like solar panels and equipment that's embedded in a building. I think this is more likely to be of use to larger companies, as most companies can already deduct capital items of up to £1 million a year under the annual investment allowance. There was a change to research and development, where a tax credit of £27 for every £100 spent can be given if your R&D expenditure is at least 40% of your annual expenditure. The limit for qualifying care relief for shared lives and foster carers was increased to 18,140. An interesting one, taxpayers will no longer be able to legally assign tax refunds to a third party. And this is designed effectively to stop rogue agents applying for a tax refund on your behalf fraudulently and having you assign it to them fraudulently. There was more help announced for universal credit claimants who wish to go back to work, an extension to the energy price guarantee, and free childcare for children between 9 months old and 3 years old is going to be phased in. There's going to be a consultation to some of the downsides for claiming the cash basis, so hopefully that will make that more attractive. And also there's a possibility of an introduction of a 14-year jail term for tax fraudsters, which is good news. One of the very good things down in this part of the country was, of course, the pothole fund, which I will probably praise tonight on my drive home. But that's all for us for now. Tina will get the full budget details out to you with a link to the website overnight tonight. Take care.